All right then, and welcome back to today's webinar. So today we have a very interesting remedy today. That is a titanium mat, and another very unsung remedy, and which probably most of us didn't use in our day-to-day practice. But I personally started using this remedy a lot after taught by one of my friend, Dr. Rajarshi Mishra. Again, he's a genius of therapeutic, and the titanium mat, you know it's a very light metal of atomic number 22, I think, and it's used in making parts of aeroplanes. Because it is lightweight, it's used in making parts of aeroplane. So it will be very interesting remedy. So let's start discussing this. Okay, so first we see the hierarchy is belong to the mineral kingdom. Transition metal, titanium, we all know. It's not a strange thing. If you look at the periodic table of Jane Charlton, it is placed here. Fourth row, as you can see, these are rows. Fourth row and fourth column, titanium mat is present. So what the unique characteristic of fourth row especially? This horizontal lines are known as rows. The fourth row horizontal characteristics are related to work, security. These all are his characteristics. And fourth column is all about the inadequacy. Means he is inadequate in doing his work. So inadequate. It's a stage where he decided to do some work. He goes to that work, but at the same time he knows he can't do that work. So he had an inadequacy. मैं चला तो गया काम करने पर अब करूंगा कैसे. This is the major theme of titanium mat. So let's read some of the rubric which will make it more clarify him. So now when he has that feeling, he develops that he used to check things much. He's so confused, so worry about whether he will able to perform or not. He had an inadequacy. He know, so he used to check things, whether he put a lock or not, whether he has closed door or not. He used to check many a time. One of the major medicine, titanium mat. And another very important thing is forgetful of name of for person. He used to develop forget because of inadequacy. He feels the pressure in the head, right head. That's why he feels the inadequacy, and he used to forget the name of person. Another very important remedy is titanium mat. We don't have to forget this. It's the core of the remedy. So now, when inadequacy is well known to his family and friends, he developed unfeeling, heart-hearted family towards. He developed that unfeeling, heart-heartedness, family and friends towards. That's interesting, and that's the major core of this remedy. We don't have to spoil it. We have to remember it. Another, it's very to do on titanium mats is a very useful remedy in premature ejaculation. When your any medicine didn't work, give this remedy and it may have some miraculous result. I can assure you that. What complete wrote: emission, pollutants, seminal, premature, too quick, coition during the coition, during the sexual contact, the premature ejaculations are too quick. One of the major remedies, titanium mat along with sepia and natramine, aluminium floss is also there. How beautifully Clark wrote. Clark is the father of clinical repertory. I used to use Clark repertory a lot in my practice. Clinical semen too early ejaculation of that to titanium mat in 2 months. It is interesting. Another very interesting characteristic is complete has mouth apthe, burning tongue. Apthe with burning tongue. How many of us have apthe with burning in tongue? Think of titanium mat along with natramine and xylem. Another very interesting, apthe lives inner side. Apthe lives in inner side, that is in the left side. Titanium mat along with the parathos, a mineral kingdom remedy. Another very essential rubrics of this. Actually, titanium mat has very good sphere of action in the optical system, especially in the case of hemiopia. Half vision, we all know, where patient cannot able to see the full object, he used to see only the half vision. Major remedy titanium mat along with all these remedies, the ferrum phos, lithium car, morphine and uric acid. Think of titanium mat. Don't forget this remedy. This what Boric say. And if you read the Boric, what he wrote about the titanium mat, it is found in bones, muscle. It has used in lupus and tuberculosis. Interesting. Um, so let's read that. Imperfect vision, particularly being that half an object only could be seen at once. Giddiness with optical hemiopia. That is written in the capitals. That's too important. Also read that. Also sexual weakness with too early ejaculation of semen in coitus. That must we have to remember. We have to remember that to practice. So that's all I know about a titanium man. Think of this remedy in hemiopia cases and in cases of premature ejaculation. Think this remedy titanium man. Give this remedy in higher doses, 200, 1 m, 10 m. It will work well. That I can assure you because I have experienced this remedy. So I want to show you to all my gurus who taught me so much, especially to my guru Dr. Rajarshi Mishra. You can contact me in Nihan25smilebox@gmail.com and do subscribe to my channel.